Hello, welcome to another Dying Light 2 video. I'm in Game Plus mode, which means that I carried over all of my weapons and uniforms, etc. into replaying all of the events. Most everything works the same in this mode, just rewards are slightly different and the risks are slightly higher. Once we've gotten out of Old Villador and we turn on power, we can now come back to Old Villador and clean up or finish up some of the areas that we hadn't before. One of which is the Houndfield Electrical Station. It was sitting there. This is where we ran into our sniper, but we really couldn't deal with anything of turning it on and turning this territory over to a faction until we had power for the entire game. So we've come back to this area. We came back by fast traveling into Quarry End, ran across, and now we're just looking out over it. We have our paraglider, so that makes it easier for us to get over to this. And this is actually an easier electrical station to flip on than the one that we did in the downtown area. So let's get to it. You know that there's a clear area right through here you can get to without having, because we've been here in the past, we now have lift. Way in is actually down here. So we have two that we have to get switched on. We're actually going to do them in reverse order because it's sort of the way they present themselves. Down below here is the number 2 generator. The number 1 generator is to the side. So let's go ahead and miss our jump. That's okay, we'll get back to it. Well, in that case, let's go ahead to number 1 generator. Getting down from up here is a little bit of a chore, so let's do number 1 generator as long as we're down here. This one is fun because we have to go through all this nastiness. At the very lowest level, up a ladder, head through some more nastiness. Back corner is another ladder. If you're worried about running out of time, you can go ahead and use your immunity booster should you start to run out, but there's clear areas here, you don't have to worry about it so much. Let's pull this cable. This is for number 1. We need to get it over there. Try to go through the ladders, the stairs. You don't have enough rope, so what we need to do is jump up here, shimmy across. Now we have enough. Patch cable number 1. Need to head back up again to get the cable number 2. So we're down here. Just got to reclimb. Need to get up there. Another ladder. Try to do better on our jumping this time. Oh, nice. Miss it twice in a row. Let's talk about missing it 3 times in a row. Alright, let's get out of here. Problem I'm running into, in case you're wondering, is that this is a simple jump and I'm turning it into more of a complex jump. Which means that I'm over jumping it. Let's try this one more time. Maybe try it twice more. Wasn't it so easy this time? That's okay, we're not done yet. It's locked from the inside. What we need to do is head across. Doesn't show you that this is a zip line. But you can jump up and catch it. Climb across. Now we can get in here. While we're here, let's go ahead and open up this door for regular access. Here's the cable. We need to jump down. And it's a little too far to jump down straight. So jump. Leap of faith kind of deal. Make sure we're in the middle. One last fall. We turn things on. Elevator comes down. Elevator. Really, elevator? Alright, maybe we just go up. Look up the elevator on the other side. There's the elevator. I was waiting for us one level up. Now we head up to the control room. When the control room, let you decide whether or not you want to continue to loot the area and which faction you'll turn this over to. As I talked about before, I'm going to give first 4 areas to the PK so that I can get the crossbow. Hope this helped. Sorry about the falls, but that's sort of what happens when you do these live. Have a great day.